if you want to enable the step counter, if you want to add a pedometer to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy A57, then first of all, we can press and hold our finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then we can go to widgets. Now over here in widgets, you might be able to find the steps counter over here, a widget for steps, here in this list of suggestions. But if not, then of course we should be able to scroll down a little bit and you're looking for the health app. We're gonna tap on health in order to see all available widgets. And of course you might be able to find a couple of different widgets, but this should also include the steps widget. Now in my case, I'm gonna use this 4x1 widget. We want to press and hold our finger, and then we can drop the widget anywhere you want to. So let's say I'm gonna place it over here. There we go. And you will need to set up the Samsung Health app in order to be able to properly use the pedometer. So you're gonna tap on the widget. We should be redirected to the Samsung Health, and of course we need to follow instructions that you will see on the screen. You also probably need to use a Samsung account in order to be able to use the Samsung Health app. Of course, you need to grant all these necessary permissions. There we go. And over here, in my case, I have to choose what do I want to focus on. So in my case, I'm just gonna choose overall health. Let's go next, and then we can just start. In your case, you might need to go through additional steps, of course, because I'm pretty sure I have set up the Samsung Health before, so maybe some of the health data, health information is already saved on my account. Now over here, we can also allow access to alarms and reminders. So of course, if that's the case, you want to tap on settings and you want to allow permissions. There we go. All right, so in my case, it immediately opened the steps menu. We can actually go back, and you can tap on these three dots here on the right side, and you can go to settings. And if you open settings, then in here we should be able to find for example, the units of measurement in case you want to change something in here. But I think one of the most important parts of the step counter in here is let me actually check that, where it is exactly. Okay, so it's in the main app on the homepage. If you scroll down, then we should be able to find our step counter in here as well. So of course, if you open it, you can, for example, set the target or learn more about steps. We have all the needed summary that you might want to check out. And now if we go back to the home screen, you will see that the widget is now being displayed properly. So you should be able to see all your steps that you have done in a given day here in the form of a widget. And if you want to, you can of course resize the widget. That is not really a problem whatsoever. So that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.